I have prepared these sandwiches. With the shorties, it's always nice to have something big. So this is with omelette. Even the children, they can have a full stomach now, and they don't need to go and have dinner after that. So they can have this is with mayonnaise sauce, mixed vegetable. This is the tomato, bell pepper, onions, and I have added some mayonnaise and mixed it. And onto the omelette, I have kept these vegetables and the salad leaves, and top of that also you can do some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise we made it at home, and we made it with only milk and oil. No eggs, right? And pepper, salt, mustard, all that you can add later. But that you can add lime juice, salt, a little bit of sugar, and you mix it with a mixer, and it comes like this, a very thick one. When it's not thick enough, you add more oil and go on doing it till you get this correct consistency. And this is very tasty also. After making it, you can keep it on the table like this. It's nicer. And I must tell you, you can use even those buns that you get from the bakery. It will be like McDonald's, just like that you can make with buns. Cut the bun and then do it the same thing. I have just used some slices of bread only. You can use with the bun and it will be nicer also.